Why are you standing like that?
Because you're filming, aren't you? It's telling you it's alright.
We're going to have a look at a little camper today.
Yeah.
5.4 metres long. It's a 2017 and it's done 21,000 miles. It's a 2.3 litre diesel. It's on the Fiat Ducato. It's a 3-berth with 4 belted seats. And it's a Hobby. We haven't had a Hobby in a long time. Vantana 55. I think the 55 might represent the length. If you know better, let me know in the comments. Like in the black. Now, this van was probably, I think it was 50,000 pounds. I can't even remember what it was. Where are you going? Come back.
You've put your number plate on the wrong way.
Hey?
You've put your number plate on the wrong way.
Oh. I've lost my flow now. Right, so this van, I think it's 46, 47. Well, it was about 47,000. The van has sold. I think it lasted a day and gone. So we are in the middle now of checking it off, but I thought birds are twittering, the sun's out, what a lovely day, let's do a camper van review. And plus we've not done one of the Hobby in a long time. Nice opportunity to have a look at them because they are a good piece of kit. I think most people associate the Hobbies with the caravans, but they do make a good motorhome. So just come over here, just let me show you. Now, because I can speak fluent German, that is water. So that is going to be your wastewater drain off. Down there. We've got the hookup, we've got the trimmer. Oh, look what we've got here as well. We've got gas low on the system. So what we do there, we don't have normal gas bottles that we can exchange. We can go to a petrol station, go to the LPG, put it in like you put in diesel or petrol in, and it'll just fill it up and then it'll automatically cut off. We've got a bike rack on the back. Now the customer did request a tow bar, so we have put a tow bar on it. Freshwater capacity?
75.
95. Wastewater?
70.
90.
Get worse.
There's a freshwater filler. Fuel awning on the top. Again, I like how it's kept in black so it's all matching up. I'm liking the wheels. Did you get the keys for it?
No.
A few moments later.
How are we going to get in it if we haven't got the keys?
I thought you had the keys.
Are you from the school of Kevin? Right, let's have a look inside this van. I think I've told you everything else about it. It's got a thatchable alarm on it. Just little things like this. Come and have a look at this, Em. Just a step, press that. There you go. Nice leather trims on it as well. And then we've got the pull out. That's nice, that is. Right, come inside. I want to show you something before we look at the van. Oh. I ain't going to show you anything at the moment. Oh. Move that from there. Move that there. Move that there. What a palaver. Right. As you can see, it's the Fiat cab. We've got a media pack, we've got aircon, we've got all the blown air and everything else. Just show you on this side, we have got, by the looks of it, air ride suspension on it as well. Now let me show you something really good. You're going to say to me, aren't you, what's that key for?
No.
What do you mean no?
I've already seen it in the last vlog.
No, this is a video review of the van.
Oh, this is a review? Never mind then. Oops.
You're going to say to me, what's that key for?
Yeah. What is that key for?
Thank you, Emmett. You're very observant and I'm glad you've asked. So, we've parked up. I can put this vehicle now into reverse. I can then put this key in and see how I've locked it.
Yeah.
Watch. It won't come out reverse. You see? So
you have to be in reverse.
Well, yeah, because it won't. It's only for reverse.
Oh, okay. Basically,
so it's designed to lock it in there. So if anyone steals it, they can only go backwards. You see? So don't park it right outside your house, or else they'll reverse into the wall.
Or on a hill.
Or what?
On a hill.
So see how...
It'll just reverse down the hill, won't it?
I suppose so, yeah. Ooh. There you go. And now look. Look. How good, sir?
Yeah.
I like that. Now, you're going to have to swap places with me now, Em.
Yeah, alright. I'll
Let's
sit in the captain's
have a look
chair.
at this van. So as you can see, we're halfway checking it all off. Oh, there's been quite a bit of progress. Ooh, I hate snagging lists. So we've got a few bits of snagging lists on it. It just looks a little bit odd rings. Yeah, bit of a light switch. TV panels loose, so doesn't look an awful lot. Smoke alarm one's going in. What a nice little control panel there. So see how we've got a little green light there?
Yeah.
There you go, that's on. We've got lights. Well, look at that there. See how it's got a little saucepan. That light goes on and off like that.
Oh.
We've got the awning light. We've got, and what else we've got there? We've got lights everywhere there. So nice lights, isn't it? Lovely, lovely lockers.
Yeah.
And then we've got the, we've got the 2 belted seats there as well. And then we're getting combined 2 hobs and sink. And then below, what is that?
Fridge.
I know it's a fridge. A compressor fridge. Great. No. Nice. Ooh, soft close we've got there. Ooh, liking that. Now here's your conundrum.
Yeah.
If I turn that way.
Yeah. What's the conundrum?
I'm going to have to show you this. So right in the middle we've got this that turns around. This that turns around. And now it's bringing me into the washroom. So we've got a lovely mirror at the top. I like how just little things like that. We've got the tap, we've got the sink, and then we've got the toilet. And if you can see here we have the shower. And then I'll open that up again. And then this leads now into the bedroom at the back. So we'll open the back doors in a second, but again, nice lockers all the way around. I tell you what springs to mind for me for this van is if you're on your own, what a great little van. What a nice little van. What have we got here? Well, look. Oh, that turns that one off. That turns that one on, look. That turns that one off. There. And look where the heating system is there, heating not water. We've got the Truma system there. That's gas and electric. This is nice in here. I'm loving the lockers. We've got the speakers at the back, blinds, fly screens there. And then I was just noticing as well, we have got the blinds in the cab as well. Now I like the backing as well, it's really nice. Let's just go have a look at the back. Oh, there's plenty of storage under here. There's plenty. Okie dokie, so look at that, there's your gas flow system. So you've got 2 huge gas bottles there. So obviously when we fill up, they'll fill both the bottles up. So, and then we've got, what have we got in here? Oh, that's just been put on for protection, stop things getting knocked on the side.
We've got a cupboard.
Oh, okay.
At the very far end.
There's the heater, and then what you'll find, yeah, there's the heater system, and just down there you drain off for your water heater. There we've got a spare wheel there as well, and then I reckon, yeah, oh yeah, that'll all lift up as well if you wanted to put bikes in or something bigger. But no, I'd keep that down. You've got loads of storage in there as well, and the awning winders up there as well. It does spring to mind to me, this is a van for 1 person. I know it's a 3 berth, I do know that. I think it probably will be a bit tight if there is 3 people in it. You would get away again with 2 because obviously you've got these captain seats here, and then...
Oh, that makes up into a bed.
That swims, wish you didn't say that, because I've got to make the bed up now, haven't I?
You said it.
No, you said
it
it.
was 3.
So that goes around there. Right, we've turned that around. Here's the fun and games now, isn't it? Oh, what's down there? Oh, the electrics are down there as well. Okay, so
the table will drop down, won't it?
yeah, no, when I can get the table off.
Oh.
That'll drop there. That comes off. That's got. Oh, hang on. We've got another little secret compartment there. Ah, just a bit of storage to hide things, I think. So that leg's going to come off.
Oh.
Like so. They are going to slot. Oh, when somebody comes up with a bed design,
they never make it easy, do they?
They don't make it easy. This is going to be, I'm thinking, single, you know. I am thinking, what have we got over there? Oh, okay.
Oh.
This has been made. Or has it?
Do you know what it's for?
Do you know what I was thinking? Let's just take this one out. Let me just... put that there. Do you know what I was thinking? Does that go on there?
Oh, and that goes in there.
Look, that goes in there. Right. I think this has been made. That goes in there.
It can't have been made though, because there was already a hole in the floor.
Good shout. That now is, I don't know what that's going to do.
Well.
Is that going to make? No, that's not going to make it, is it? Oh, hang on.
Oh, do you put it in now?
Hey? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Trap my finger in there. Oh, hang on. Oh no, it can't do, look. Oh,
Yeah.
it can, yeah. That goes in the hole there. We're obviously going to have a cushion somewhere.
Is it underneath here?
Oh,
Oh, never mind.
that's the cushion. There. And then
So
that
this must just be a single then.
So that's a single, isn't it? It's got to be. Unless... Yeah, it has to be, doesn't it?
3 berth.
Yeah, that's what I said, 3 berth. So there we go. So, anybody got a hobby, let us know if that has been made for this. And I think it's...
Not sure.
See, everything matches though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, plus, like you said, with having the hole in the floor. After extensive research, we found out some models come with this, some models don't, and they call this an emergency bed, don't they? So yeah, that'll obviously go back down, and you've got singly bed. To be honest with you, it's probably just for a child or something like that. So some models will have these, some won't. They don't offer. What my biggest bane alive is instruction manuals for motorhomes. They don't make it easy.
No, not that one anyway.
No, not at all. We've got a telly in here, and all in all, it's quite a nice little camper van. And I've said to you before in this video, I think it's a brilliant camper van for one person. You've got everything that you need. You've got that shower area as well. Can be a little bit cumbersome moving around, but I think, to be honest with you, you get used to that. Because I think at night, obviously you'd have that bit closed there, and then in the day you've just got to come around, so that's not too much of a problem. But for one person or even two people, great little camper van giving you everything. So if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.